Hi and welcome, my name is Brandon and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to allow legacy render on Vegas Pro 17. This gonna be simple and quick tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll create more tutorial videos for you. First, go to Options tab on the top right corner and select Properties. After that, go to the Deprecated Features tab. And then, click on the Allow Legacy GPU Rendering. Click Apply and select OK to close the tab. Then, restart your Vegas and it should work by now. And that's how simple you can enable legacy render on Vegas Pro 17. By the way, don't forget to check out our channel. You can find more from us. And that's all for today's video. I'm Brandon, stay safe, and thanks for watching. Hi there. Don't forget to support the channel by becoming patron on our Patreon page. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Thank you for your support.